So I'm back in my ancient Civic again, and there's a wee issue that I'm going to have a go at trying to fix today. As you can see, these dials here, they're all good. Speedo is all good. But look at this. The radio display, that's supposed to be saying the time, the track number, and the climate control. If I push the corner, that's basically how it should look. Now the problem with it is a soldering flaw on the chipset behind the screen, so I'm going to have a go at fixing that, and it'll be my first time actually soldering something, so let's see how it goes. Fiddly, very fiddly. That's the speedometer out. Whew, just about broke my fingers trying to get that one out. Right, so I'm not sure how clearly it's being picked up on the camera, but what I basically need to resolder is all these little pins, and they are very close to each other. Just to give you an idea of scale, that's a £1 coin. Right, so time to start soldering. I'm making such a mess of this. One thing I forgot to say when I started doing this was that a replacement, second hand, is at least 65 quid. So if this works, which I'm starting to think it won't, I'll have at least saved a few quid. Oh, I've got the solder everywhere. I've got 3 pins connected here. Well, what can I say about this? Well, I think this has got to be one of the absolute worst soldering jobs ever done in history. I managed to put too much soldering on quite a few of the pins and they're connecting. Yeah, that's not good. So now I'm removing all the excess solder. Okay, I've gone through it and I've managed to get rid of a load of the solder bridges that I'd originally put together, so hopefully it'll work again. I'm going to take it out to the car again and take it from there. So my attempts at trying to fix this by soldering it were a complete failure. It's actually worse off than it was before, because if I push the corner like I used to, it now makes absolutely no difference. So I went on eBay and I managed to find one for about 35 quid. I'm going to fit this and see if that works. Okay, so I've removed the old radio display and this is the new one. I've not fitted it in yet, but I've wired it up and I'm just going to give it a wee test now just to see if it actually works. That's how it should look. Magic. Beautiful. So I couldn't resolder it, which is a bit shit, but at least I didn't have to spend 65 odd quid on a new radio display. I managed to find this one for considerably cheaper on eBay. It was the only one going at this price, so I think I was quite lucky in that regard.